morning, and welcome back to another episode of Todd Talks. We're here at world headquarters of B&B Manufacturing, one of 5 North American locations, giving you an update on our building expansion. We're letting you know how it's going so you can see from the site. We've got the footers already poured. We've got the steel beams, girders going up, as you can see as well. This is the first 50,000 square foot expansion that we're putting up now. We've excavated the site for 150,000 square foot, but when this one goes up and we've got the next 2, expansion of the next 50,000 square foot will go just beyond the wall here, and then the 3rd one will go beyond that as well. So a lot of good things going on here at B&B Manufacturing. For our product expansions, we need the extra space, so stay tuned. We got a lot of good things coming up. Talk to you soon. Thanks for joining us.